Hi guys and welcome back. Now we will continue with our next topic for learning C Sharp, which is jumping statement. Alright, so in here we have got break and continue. Alright, now let's try to understand these terms one by one. Break. Alright, let's write a code first. Equals to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Alright, now let's give a condition here. If I equals to 3, I am going to come out of the for loop. Alright, console dot write line breaking from for loop, and let's give here alright. Now let's define break statement here, and then we can give one more console dot write line to print the number I. So before running the code, we will try to understand like what is happening here. Alright, so here I has got value 1 is less than equal to 5. Now you will check the condition I equals to 3, which is false. Okay, so this part won't be executed and it would come in this console part and print number colon 1. Alright, now the value of I gets incremented and it becomes 2. 2 is less than 5, condition is true. 2 equals to 3, condition is what? Again what? False. It would come in this part, console.write line number equals to 2. So we can number 2. Alright, now when the value of I becomes 3 equals 3, which is obviously true. Now when the condition is true, I would go inside this one and I would print this message breaking from for loop. Okay, breaking from for loop, and the index is what? 3. So what does this break does is, break statement is used for termination of a block. Sooner your condition is satisfied, it will come out of that loop. Alright, break is used for unusual termination of a block. Alright, now we will write the code and see like what is the output we are getting. Alright, so we are getting number 1, number 2 and breaking from for loop at index 3. Alright, now let's try to understand our next statement, which is continue statement. Alright, just comment this out. And now instead of using break, let's suppose we are doing continue there. Let's see like what happens there. Let's suppose we have given continue. All right. Skipping this. All right. So before running the code, let's try to understand like what does continue means. So continue is like it will skip the current iteration where the condition is satisfied. All right. So what we have got here, I equals to 1, 1 is less than equal to 5, which is 2. Now I will check this condition is false. I would not go inside this one and I will print this one, number colon 1. All right. Now the value gets incremented, and now similarly for 2 we will get number 2. All right. Now 3 equals 3, right? Now condition is what? True. So when the condition is true, I am going to skip at what? I am going to skip at 3. So I am skipping at 3. So it means like whenever you got this condition satisfied, it is going to skip that 3 number, okay, and it's gonna continue with your next iteration, okay. So now when the value of I becomes 4 is not equal to 3, so it would not go inside here and print console.writeline number 4. Okay. Similarly we have got 5, so 5 will be printed number 5. Now I will go ahead and run the code. So you can see that number 1, number 2, and we are skipping at 3, number 4 and number 5. All right. So basically the key difference is for break loop or for break statement, it is used for unusual termination. All right. And continue, it skips the current iteration where the condition is satisfied. It skips the current iteration where the condition is satisfied, and it resumes with next iteration. All right. So I hope guys you have understood like so far, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. All right. So yeah, if you like my video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.